Good evening. My name is Kheymer-ool or this is tuvan name. It's my real name. I'm transgender refugee woman. In 2013, I came to Thailand from Russia. I fled Russia because of Russian policy against LGBT people, and in my republic, I faced too much problems with my gender identity and sexual orientation. And I'm now living in 10 years in Thailand, and 2 weeks I have right to live in renting room because of help me Bangkok Refugee Center for paid next three months or not. They will decide in mid of October. So I have 2 weeks to tell my story to you, and also maybe who knows, someone can help me with my resettlement problem, and it's my case now proceeding in the U.S. immigration, and now I'm waiting their final decision. So